Here we go.
World's highest screwdriver toss catch. Ready?
Ready. Oh! That was close.
That wasn't very high. That was
very close.
World record. Okay. I'm gonna stand over here and try to throw it to you. I've got the harder part, you know that?
Yeah, throwing it's definitely harder than catching it. Oh my! That's a good one. Oh! That was a good one too.
And then look at him throwing it in my eyeballs.
Don't throw it back to him so hard, Matt. That was a good one. That's a good one. Ah! It's the record! World record! Hold the screwdriver up. Hold the screwdriver.
How do you feel now?
There it is.
How does it feel to break a world record?
Yeah, I bet.
Look, no gloves.
Oh. We just about got.
Oh, what's coming up my head? Jesus, man, that's gonna stick you in the face. Ah! Here we go. Action.
Ah! Ah! It's a record! It's a record! It's a record! Oh.
Yeah, that's bad.
Alright guys, you just witnessed a record. Now we're gonna go find the first aid kit.